Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the AllToyCollector channel, and today I'm going to show you this awesome Scratch Fantastic My Little Pony book. Oh, this looks so cool. I actually already filmed the Frozen one, and this one's My Little Pony. Oh, and I love Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash, Princess Twilight Sparkle, and whoa, let's look at this first page. It says here, Princess Celestia is the wise and gentle ruler of Equestria. With the help of her sister Princess Luna, she makes the sun and the moon rise and set every day. Design her a beautiful new crown to wear. So here we can make a different crown for her, and here we can make some scratch art and color her in. So let's see, I guess we can color this first. Okay, I'm going to make this center jewel golden, and then how about a little bit of red too. And we can outline it in red. And this is a glitter crayon, so it looks super nice. There we go. How about some blue? We can keep this one pretty simple, I guess. And like some pink hearts right here. And maybe we can color it in orange. And ta-da! I don't know, I think I actually like her original crown more. Now let's do the more fun part, the scratch art. So let's see, we can twiggle this in. Wow, that looks really neat. Is this page all just glittery? So we can do some stars. Oh, very, very cute. We can do it, maybe write My Little Pony, MLP. So here we're just kind of designing her. Do some hearts. Super cute. Now let's see the next page. Oh, here is a guessing game. It says, guess who? The ponies are playing hide and seek. Use the clues to guess where each pony is hiding on the next page. Scratch off to reveal the answers. So number 1, this unicorn is great at studying magic. Ooh, do you think that's Princess Twilight Sparkle? Let's see. Yep, I was right. Twilight Sparkle. Woohoo, I know my ponies. Oh, this is cute. There she is. Now the next one says, who is the shy pony who loves animals? I think this one's easy. I think it's Fluttershy. Let's see if I was right. I guess we can color this in first. Fluttershy, woohoo, I was right. Oh, Fluttershy, she's one of my favorites. Perfect. Now number 3, which pony is great at throwing parties? I'm guessing it is Pinkie Pie. Well, let's see if I was right. Let's scratch this off. Yay, Pinkie Pie! Oh, she looks so cute. I love this page and all the colors. Even around the stars, you can color in the whole page. It looks really nice. This Pegasus loves to fly as fast as she can. Well, that's easy because it's a Pegasus. It is Rainbow Dash. Well, let's color this in. And yep, Rainbow Dash. She does love to fly super, super fast. Well, let's color her in super, super fast. Come on. Oh. Now here is the entire page. Ta-da! Very, very cute page. Now I'll just do 3 more pages in this book, so we won't do everything. This one is a best friend page. So here you can write about your best friend, and here you can draw about a new pony friend. Let's see here. Well, right here you can do a maze, and here we can color in a pony. Let's do that one. This Rainbow Dash, yep. Ooh, this is so pretty. Let's color it in. Rainbow Dash is also one of my favorites. Actually, I think all the ponies are pretty cute. Now I can switch things up and use a quarter because it's actually a whole lot faster than using that little wooden stick. And there we go. There's Rainbow Dash. Super adorable. And now over here, there's a beautiful dress of Rarities. And there's actually, I forgot to mention, there's these little cutouts that came with. So you can actually decorate this if we wanted. Oh. My Little Pony. That's cute. And then we can draw some stars. There we go. And we do a smiley face too. So here it says, new clothes for Rarity. I could make a special outfit for Rarity, it would be a, let's see, I guess probably like a ball gown. Ball gown. Her outfit would glitter and sparkle like a star. And her mane would be as beautiful as, the sunset. As a sunset. Now let's see what she looks like if we color in more. Oh, so this is just all glittery here, so you can kind of color it in to make it extra glittery. I kind of liked how it was, honestly. Maybe I'm kind of messing this up. I'm doing something right. But, let me try this quarter. Wow, that makes it super, super glittery. Actually, that's kind of cool. I'll just color in all of it now that I know it's glittery. That's actually a lot better when you color with a quarter than with a pencil. Wow, that is really shimmery. You know, instead of writing shimmery as a sunset, I should have said shimmery as the ocean, because this is what it reminds me of, a beautiful sunset over the ocean, actually. Okay, color, color, color. Or scrape, 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 scratch and scrape. There we go. Wow, that is so beautiful. And then here, we can just kind of draw some hearts. I don't want to do too much because she looks so pretty already. Another heart right there. Ta-da! Does that look better? Yeah, and then let's see another page. There's a crossword. Those are fun. Ooh, Pinkie Pie's party. We'll have to do this page. So over here it says, dear, and then you invite somebody. I guess I can invite Toby. Hi, Toby. Are you here? Toby, come to the party. Oh, hi, Toby. You're invited to Pinkie Pie's apartment for a party. Of course. Party, woo. This party will be held on the date of, how about, June 30th? June 30th, starting at 12 o'clock. There will be plenty of yummy snacks to eat, like cake, of course, and cookies. Cookies, C-O-O-K-I-E-S. We will be playing lots of silly games, including pin the tail on the pony. No! They probably don't like that in the game. Pin the tail on the... And then I'm out of room, My Little Pony. And, and how about a Disney Frozen game? We'll figure out one later. Disney Frozen game. Hope to see you there, Pinkie Pie. Now let's just color all this in and see the fun party, which Toby will go to. Ooh, Toby, look at that cake you get to eat. And colorful balloons. There's Pinkie Pie. Thanks for throwing the party. Yeah, you can color it in too. What a beautiful background. There we go. Colored in Rainbow Dash's wings. Looks like we're almost done. And voila! That is probably my favorite page yet. Let me move it. Well, all Toy Collector fans, if you think this book is pretty darn cool, which you should think it is because I think it's awesome, please remember to click like and subscribe. Also, write down in the comment section who is your favorite My Little Pony. Goodbye and have a great day.